Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you set up or get the custom status into your Discord. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get a bunch of options into this homepage. Now, after coming into this page, you just simply have to go over your profile picture by tapping into this U icon at the bottom right corner. And from there, you will get the option of status if you tap into your profile. And after tapping into your profile picture, you will get the status into here. Now, in order to set your own custom status, tap to set a custom status. Now, you have to select the status duration from here. Just simply select for how long you want to use this status. I'm selecting clear tomorrow, and then you just simply have to write down the name of custom status. For example, I'm setting up dancing, and then tap to save button, which will appear after writing down. And after doing this very easy step, my custom status will be set as dancing. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.